malaman, bakit, anong authority yung binigay mo sa kanya that she is acting like your right hand in the PNP-IG to the point that she's saying na yung gastos niya, nire-reimburse niya sa PNP-IG. Is that correct? Ano yung authority na binigay mo sa kanya? Na she could always, parang 24/7, will have an access to Indonesian authorities, talking to Interpol, etc. Did you give her that access, General?
Your Honors,
Authority?
please, except doon sa pagiging contact lang kay Alice, wala na po siyang ibang authority, Your Honor.
Were you clear about it? Were you clear about it when you told her, ito ka lang, ito lang ang role mo? Because, alam mo, tatamaan ka rito, General, kung binigyan mo ng blanket authority, itong hindi natin makilala kung sino talaga. Nabuhay mula sa patay eh.
If I